welcome. Hey guys, welcome back. And yeah, I'm back, and today I'll be showing you how you can install Flash in your Windows. So first, open your search engine and type there about+06. You'll see a pop-up link. Go to the first link. In your link here, you're going to be going to free trial. Wait for a while, and here your download will be automatically started. Now here, open that and go click on run. This is not any virus. Here, now go pop up continue, and it will ask you for permissions. Yes, click on yes, and here enter your email address. I'm going to quickly meet you after entering my email. Okay, no, I'm going to not pause the video. Alright, here we are. So you're all set. Now here you're going to be going to start installing. The installation process is not done, so it will automatically go, install that. And please select your describe this role. You're a student or you are anything. Skip the questions. I'm going to skip the questions, obviously. So your installation may take few minutes, so meet you after the installation. And guys, if you are getting some trouble to download this all steps, like your PC requirements, I'm going to be for PC requirements check, I'm going to be checking the PC requirements. You can go to buy now if you want to buy the real thing, and continue to India. And if you're in India, you can buy this. So I already got this Photoshop, so you can buy this. And if you want to go to graphics design, you can buy the graphics designer also. So for me it's taking so long time to install, but I'm doing this for you guys. Let it be installed. Yes, my installation is finally done. Now it will your window will look like this. Go okay. Now your window will look like this. However, you're installed, and if you want to update the software, you can. You're up to date. Yeah, I'm up to date. So here you're going to be install, try, bye. So I'm going to be you can go to web. There are many things. So yeah, this is the easy step, and I'm going to be giving the download link in description. Bye. Love you all.